Good morning, this Monday, the 12th of August. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street continued its recovery rally on Friday to close higher across the key indices as a weaker than expected initial jobless claims out on Thursday boosted investor hopes that the US will avoid recession in favour of a soft landing. The Dow Jones rose 0.13% on Friday, the S&P 500 added 0.47%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day up 0.51%. Over in Europe, markets closed higher in the region, taking lead from global market recovery over the week after Monday's sharp sell-off. The STOXX 600 rose 0.57% on Friday, Germany's DAX added 0.24%, the French CAC rallied 0.31%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.28%. Across the Asia markets on Friday, the global sea of green extended across Asia's markets as investors assessed China's CPI and PPI data and bought back into stocks broadly after the early week mass sell-off. Japan's Nikkei added 0.56% on Friday, China's CSI index slid 0.34%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng rallied 1.17%. China's CPI came in at a rise of 0.5% on Friday, which well exceeded economists' forecasts of a 0.3% rise, indicating the highest reading since February, which also indicated improved domestic demand in the world's second largest economy. While the inflation reading is a positive sign, it is just one move in the right direction, and much more is needed to be done to see a proper correction in the economic health of China. Last week, we also had China's trade balance data out that indicated imports exceeded exports, which depleted the trade surplus in the country more than economists were expecting. And China's PPI data out on Friday also came in at a fall of 0.8% from a year ago, indicating a mixed recovery picture in the region. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 ended the day in positive territory with a modest gain of 1.25%, led by the tech sector rising over 3%, which was driven by Life 360 soaring 18% after upgrading full-year revenue guidance and announced global expansion plans. QBE Insurance fell almost 2% on Friday following the release of the company's FY24 results. Despite the company posting a strong gain in earnings, investors were more focused on the small miss in net profit and guidance than analysts were expecting. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.15% higher at $76.98 a barrel. Gold is down just slightly by 0.09% at $2,428 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.51% at $101.26 a tonne. The Aussie dollar has strengthened over the weekend to buy, with one Aussie dollar buying 65.7 US cents, 96.55 Japanese yen, 51.34 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session here on the ASX, the SPY futures are anticipating the market to open the day up 0.76%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Life 360 from $19 a share to $20.50 a share and maintain a buy rating on the location tracking software company following the release of the company's 2Q24 trading update outlining a beat on revenue expectation, a beat in total paying circles, and the company upgraded its guidance for both revenue and EBITDA for FY24. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on SRG Global following the formation of a pattern over a period of 74 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise, from the close of 88 cents per share to the range of $1.01 to $1.03, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this Monday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.